Pythagorean Theorem. There is geometry in the humming of the strings. There is music in the spacing of the spheres. Pythagoras. In mathematics, the Pythagorean Theorem, also known as Pythagoras' Theorem, is a fundamental relation in Euclidean geometry among the three sides of a right triangle. It states that the square of the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle, is equal to the sum of the squares of the two other sides. The theorem can be written as an equation relating the length of the sides a, b, and c, often called the Pythagorean equation. Now, getting into the Pythagorean theory, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This can be demonstrated through this graphic. Here we have a right triangle. We're going to label each of these sides a, b, and c. A and b are the triangle's legs, while c is the hypotenuse. The theorem states that if you add both of a right triangle's legs squares, you will get the hypotenuse square. To demonstrate this, you can place a square on each side of the legs, and if you add their areas, you will get the area of the square placed next to the hypotenuse. We can also use a different graphic. The two large squares shown in the figure each contain four identical triangles, and the only difference between the two large squares is that the triangles are arranged differently. Therefore, the white space within each of the two large squares must have equal area. Equating the area of the white space yields the Pythagorean theorem.